So I don't know if you can tell, but I am in bed. And this idea came to me like 3 minutes ago, but I always say how easy it is to create a digital product. You can even create it in bed or like from the couch. But then I've noticed that I've never actually filmed a video of me creating a digital product in bed. So I'm actually kind of having like a day where I'm just kind of feeling like bleh, like I don't even really want to work today, but I have a lot of stuff to do, and it's been like snowing here where I am, and like I'm just feeling really lazy. It's like a Friday and we're getting so close to the holidays that I've just been like extremely lazy and just wanting to sit in bed. But that's not going to stop me from getting things done. And I am literally sitting here with my iPad keyboard case, and I am about to design something with you, and I'm going to show you a super simple digital product that you can sell and that actually sells. So we are going to work on that together, and I'm going to give you keywords as always that you can use to sell. Let me know any other videos that you'd want to see in the comments. I'm always looking for more content ideas that are like fun and creative that you want to actually see. So we're going to make a digital product because it's nice and easy. You don't need any inventory, and it's super simple, just between Canva and Etsy. So I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm kind of making this like vlog style where I'm a little bit more chilled, relaxed. So I also want to start making vlogs. So this is kind of like a nice intro into that. But we're just gonna create together, and we're gonna rot in bed together, and we're just gonna design a product to show you and to show myself how easy it is to actually make money, like even when you're just sitting in bed. So if this is something that interests you and you want to learn more about this experience, then keep on watching. So I'm like literally about to go through my Etsy shop because I want to see like what's been selling the best and what's something that like would be worthwhile for you to create right now with me. So we're gonna do that together first. I need to go to my shop. I need to go to my shop on Etsy because I just want to see what is currently selling. I also look at like my products and my store. Let me go into my listings because that's what's really gonna help me. I'm trying to see what's been getting a lot of like traction lately, so like we can create that together. A lot of highlight covers really have been real estate ones, lash ones, beauty ones, and also wedding templates. So maybe we'll do a wedding template together today, like a welcome sign at a wedding. I think that would be kind of fun. So we are going to work on that together, and I'm going to show you how to make it. This is basically going to be like a printable, so they can go and get this printed so that they can put it on like a table at their wedding, for example. A lot of people are doing this to cut costs because a lot of these like invitations and such can be very, very expensive. So let's do a welcome sign together, and let's make it nice and easy. And I'm going to go on Etsy and also get inspiration from other creators. So I'm going to flip the screen around so that we can kind of do that together. Okay, so first things first, I am on Etsy. I just want to kind of get inspiration, and this is what I typically do, this and Pinterest, but I'm trying to get inspiration on a wedding welcome sign design. You can see like there's ones that are literally as simple as this, a nice welcome with a little heart and a date. So I think we're gonna do something really, really simple like this because the whole point is that we are rotting in bed and making a fun little design. So I personally love this one, and we're gonna use this as our inspiration. So let's get into Canva and we will start designing. Another thing you can do is go look at Canva templates. I've literally typed in welcome sign and a whole bunch of these have come up. I think this is really, really cute. So I kind of want to use this as inspiration, and then we can always like change elements and things like that. So let's click on this. Also, if you see the Canva. If you see the camera like moving around a lot, it's because I'm sitting in bed, so it's hard to like stabilize this thing, but I'm trying to make this quick so that you don't have to get a headache watching this video. So I'm going to customize this template and we are going to get started on this design. So you can change the name to whatever you want. I don't really love this idea of a plus sign. I think the and symbol looks more like classy. So I'm gonna change that first. So now it looks more clean and cute. I might just change the name because this was a template, so you kind of want to make it your own here. Let's do Julia and John. I don't know why those names came to my mind, but there they are. And let's make it April 16th, 2025. Because I just want to keep it relevant to what's upcoming. So we're going to do that. I don't love this gold splatter, so I think I'm going to move that. And I kind of just want to see what other elements that we could use that aren't necessarily just this like green. I think this is really simple, but I want to see other ones. So I'm going to type in wedding and just see what comes up in the elements section. Like there's a ton of fun ones. Like I personally really love something like this. We might even like honestly take these out. I just love like very simple classic designs. I personally love. I might make this bigger, or I might honestly just change the font here. This is what I love about a template, is it gives you like a nice starting point and then you can change it. I'm gonna go for my all-time favorite ISOM script, and then if not, there's a few other scripts that I personally love, but ISOM script to me is just so classy and simple. So this is going to be the welcome, and I'm going to change this one as well to the same script just so that it all matches. And that is super simple and classy too. There's little doves that you can put. There's a lot of greenery, like even up here, this is really pretty in the corner. So you can just size it how you want it. And then I'm going to duplicate this and bring it down to the bottom. Just because, I don't know, it's just such a simple, classy design. And then you could just play around with it. Like you can make this a little bit smaller and right there. Here you can even put location if you don't want to put the date. But I personally love this. I think this font's really pretty. I'm just going to see if there's something else that I would prefer to use. Like this one's really classy, the seasons. I just want a super simple and classy design that really stands out to me. And that is what I have chosen. So this is super pretty. You can even also change the background to like a picture, but I think for the sake of a sign, it's super simple to keep it nice and clean. Black and white's always a classic, and people are more likely to purchase this. So you can play around with more. There's these elements, there's hearts, rings, and just so much more. But I love simple, like sleek designs, and that is what I've come up with. So we are just going to save this as a PNG to market it, and then also as a PDF print, so that's how you can sell it and just literally upload it as a print. I'm going to just save this to files, and now I have it saved, and then I'm going to go ahead and just download it as a PNG so that I can market it as well. And I'm going to show you guys a little quick tip to get cute little mock-ups. Oops. And I'm just going to re-upload what we just designed. I'm going to show you just quickly how to make this into like a fun element. So here's the picture. You're going to go into edit and you're going to hit mock-ups. You're going to scroll down, and I like to hit print just so that we can see how it would look like in a big print. And I just want to see if there's a nice like wall art or something to make it look like more like a sign. Here's one like right here that's really cute, and this will literally put it right into the picture for you. which I love. You don't even have to use like third-party mock-ups, but you can keep it here and then you can obviously drag it to make it a little bit bigger to fit. So there you have it. There's a nice simple mock-up and you can literally use this to market your product. So I don't know about you, but that was like the easiest thing I've designed in a while. I am going to put some keywords that you can use, and I'm going to give you an example of a listing title that I'm going to put, and it's also one that you can put as well. Feel free, and let's see how many views we get, and then put that mock-up picture into Pinterest and use keywords again, and then link it back to your product, and you will get a ton of views and some sales on it. I will probably price that around $5 or so. It's super simple, but you can honestly charge a bit more or a little bit less, like whatever you feel. And if your design is more complex, then definitely charge more. But that is it for my little Bedrot digital product creation. I am just sitting here with my cat, and I'm gonna keep designing a few more things and do a bit more work, and then we can get back to bed rotting in peace. So I will see you very, very soon, and I hope this video was helpful.